Happy Thursday, everyone. If, like me, you have been working all week, then I know that you are so happy that weekend is just around the corner. Today, I'll be sharing with you some sightseeing of somewhere in London from the upstairs of a double-decker bus. To those who have been liking, sharing my videos, I say thank you. Currently, I am on 183 subscribers. Yay! As soon as I get to 200 subscribers, then I will do a YouTube chat live. At the moment, in the meantime, relax, enjoy the sightseeing view somewhere in London from the top of a double-decker bus.
Station.